Imagine biting into a pancake so fluffy. It feels like eating a cloud. Soft on the inside, golden and crispy on the outside, and the best part? You can make it in just minutes with simple ingredients you already have at home. Let's start with our dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 1 1/3 cups of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Give it a quick mix so everything's even. Now for the wet mix, I have 1 cup of buttermilk, but here's a trick. Make sure it's at room temperature. Mine was cold, so I microwaved it for 45 seconds. Into that, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Mix until smooth and creamy. Pour the wet mixture into the dry and whisk until your batter is smooth and just a little stretchy. Heat your frying pan, brush with a teaspoon of butter, and pour in a ladleful of batter. Wait until the edges turn golden and little bubbles appear, then flip it gently. Look at that, golden perfection. Make the rest of the pancakes just like this, one after another, until you have a beautiful stack waiting for you. Look at them, perfectly golden and crispy on the outside, yet soft and fluffy inside. They're almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Stack them high, decorate with fresh berries, and drizzle with butter, maple syrup, or honey. And there you have it. A breakfast that'll make everyone at your table smile. If you could smell these pancakes right now, you'd be in the kitchen already. So go ahead, try this recipe, and let me know in the comments if your family loves them as much as mine does. And hey, if you enjoy recipes that turn everyday moments into something magical, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join me for more delicious ideas every week. Until next time, take care and happy cooking.